All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. All right, when you have the camera facing you, you're going to go to the right side and turn it. And underneath the 10 Black, you're going to see the on button and the off button. So to turn it on, what you're going to do is you're going to put your thumb on there, hold it, and you're going to press it for about 2 seconds. 1001, 1002, and bam. It says to upgrade my SD card. It always tells me to do that for some reason. All right, so here we are. And now the camera is on. And you can see we've got a full battery. Here, let's see, let's get it on landscape. And so it's ready to go. And we can go ahead and we can do some video because I have it set on video. If I want to shoot video, all you got to do is press this and watch. You'll see a little red countdown number come here, and then you stop it like that. Bam, done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with your GoPro Hero 10 Black. Peace out.